Hello, restoraid. This is Robert Reed. I work with restoring companies all over the United States, and I've done some research in the Cincinnati area, and I came across your website, and I figured you guys could use some help. So I made this video to give to you, and here are 3 tips that you can use and put in action yourself to start beating your competition online. I don't want to waste your time or waste my time either. So by the end of this video, you like what you've heard. You can tell I have a lot of strategies to help grow your business. And if it's something that you're looking for, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Feel free to take the tips that I've given you and use them for yourself. The 3 tips I'm going to give you today is content, citation, and backlinks. So the first topic is content. That's basically everything you can see on the front page. Boy, that's a dramatic picture right there. Is this one that you all restored? I'm not really sure. That's beautiful there. But you asked why content, and I'm sure you've heard the term content is king. You'll make sure that you have enough content on your page to clearly let Google know what it is that you do and what kind of services that you offer. Also, you want to have enough content to make sure that you're getting keywords and key phrases worked into the content, so that way it reads naturally. You want to be sure you're getting found for these keywords or key phrases that people are searching for, because someone is looking for your services. And right here, they really need the service right there, I'll tell you. So that's the first tip I've got for you. So make sure that you have a lot of keywords, about 1,500 keywords. You've got quite a bit, but I'm not sure that you have enough. So I would recommend suggesting adding a little bit more. And the second tip I'm going to give you is citations. You might be asking yourself, what is a citation? By searching your keywords over here, like, let's do remodeling. So Cincinnati remodeling. First thing you're going to notice that at the top of the Google search are the ads right here at the top. And you could put any keyword in it. It would be the same all the way down. So this is somewhat of people are paying for these up at the top. So it's somewhat of a gamble, because there's a lot of people out there that choose specifically not click on these ads. Maybe they've had a bad experience with the ads in the past, but in 2021, a lot of people are using ad blockers. People have been getting sick of ads over the years, and so they started ad blockers. So they may not see these ads. Below this section, the next section that's relevant is the map section. So people are looking nowadays through the Google search, and it seems to be a more trusted area, and people tend to like what they click. They use the button to call directly from their cell phone. This is directly related to a citation. So what a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web, like Yellow Pages, Facebook, or Yelp. On social or online profiles, where business can put their business information there and their services. All it does is just give you another avenue to reach more people. Basically, to beat out your competition, you just have to go out and get the same type of directory listings that your competition has. And by doing that, you'll beat out your competition online. You want to make sure you have more directory listings than your competition. So in our company, we have the tools we use to research your competition. We can find out what directories they're in, and we try to go out and get the same ones as well. Now, the third thing I want to go over you is backlinks and what a backlink is. It's essentially another website that's giving a link back to your website. And now, not all backlinks are created equal. And so, for example, a Pizza Hut or an ice cream store referring back to you is not going to be the same relevancy or give you any power. Sometimes it actually hurts you. So the best thing to do is get a backlink that has from another restoring place from another state. That's the best way to do it. So making sure that you have relevant backlinks that are relevant to your industry and your services that you offer will help you dominate your competition. Now, I used another remodeling company to kind of just give you a comparison of what can happen. And they have quite a bit of content here, but just to give you an idea. Now I have another tool that I use, and it's called Ahrefs, A-H-R-E-F. And basically, this is your website in here, but it isn't 100% accurate because the tool basically buys data from Google, and but it's the closest thing we can to get the most information so we can compare and see what we're working with. Now, you have a UR of 19, which that's a 0 out of 100. It's just kind of okay, and that's what Google thinks of you. Now, the domain rating is 4.9, which is really low out of 100, and so this needs to be a lot higher. Now, the backlinks is 75 from 44 websites. So you're basically getting a little less than 2 backlinks from each website. So, and then you're being found for 8 keywords. These are what people are searching and what you are showing up for. And you're getting a traffic of 12. Now, if we go into these keywords, we can find out where this traffic of 12 people to your website per month is coming from. So if you put these in order, and which they are, and then positioning, there's 10 positions on a page. So the first position is the first page, and you're basically being found for your branding, and all 12 people are coming from your branding, which tells me this: it's not coming from the website, because all the keywords from the website are here, and they're back on the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th page. And so the branding will tell you that people are typing in this keyword, restoraid, which is the name of your company, and they're getting it from some other source besides the website. So you're either seeing people out there and they're checking up on you, or looking at your website to make sure that you're legit and all that stuff, or an insurance company or something has given the name to the customer. But all 12 traffic is coming from your branding, which means that your website is doing absolutely nothing whatsoever. So basically, if I look at this other company and we compare what they're doing, they have a 34 UR, a 27 domain rating, and they're getting 12,000 backlinks that they've got on their websites, linking back to their website from almost 4,000 to 5,000 websites. And they're getting keywords from about 7,400 keywords from those searches, from the search. So their traffic is 1,400 people coming into their website. That's about 46 people a day. So we're talking about making a change to what your company can do. If you had 1,400 or 46 people a day calling your company, you'd be slammed. Now, keep in mind, there's a lot of people that have enough business and they don't want this. So they don't want to advertise or do anything. And this is really not for you guys. This is for people that could use a little more business. Now, you're here, and instead of 1,400, if we just bring this up, backlinks up to like a couple hundred, and at least bring this up to 100 referring domains, you'd have a couple hundred people coming in here. And to do this, even for us to do it for you, it's not expensive. But I mean, this website is yours. This is your tool that you own. And if it's sitting there and it's not doing anything as far as bringing in leads to you, it's like a billboard on a desert island. It's not doing anything. So you really need, if you want more leads, it just takes a little bit of effort to get this thing up and going. So I just wanted to show you that and give you an idea of what we can do. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. And we are, if you don't want to work with us, that's fine. If not, even if I took 5 or 10 minutes, we're here to help businesses grow, and we're going to be working with somebody in the Cincinnati area, and we'd like it for it to be you. And we can show you what we can do, and it's not expensive. It's usually if we bring in $10,000 worth of business and we charge $1,000, I think that would be fair. If you don't, then we can talk about that. But that's the kind of the way we work and we do things. So you can take these steps, all that I've described yourself. And if you want to give me some feedback on the video, I'd really, really appreciate that. So thank you for your time and watching this video, and have a great